Good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the corporate presentation of Kutcho Copper at Commodity TV. Immediately following the completion of its feasibility study, Kutcho Copper is taking giant steps towards production. The 100% owned Kutcho Copper and Zinc project is located approximately 120 kilometers east of Dease Lake in northern British Columbia and consists of a mining lease and 46 mineral exploration claims covering an area of approximately 17,000 hectares. The site is accessible via a 900-meter gravel airstrip, 10 kilometers from the deposit, and a 100-kilometer seasonal road from Dease Lake, and is located in one of the safest mining regions in the world, with numerous producing mines including Pretium's, Brucejack and Imperial Metals Red Chris mines. Kutcho Copper's goal is to advance the project through all permitting processes to a positive construction decision. The comprehensive redesign and engineering of the project as part of the feasibility study has resulted in a mine plan that predominantly calls for an open pit operation with the simultaneous development of two underground mines. The mine plan has resulted in a technically robust and capital-efficient project with a minimal footprint. The results of the feasibility study highlight the attractive economics of the Kutcho project, which is stable at lower metal prices, very attractive at base prices, and has significant leverage at rising prices as reflected in metal spot prices today, with an after-tax NPV of 931 million Canadian dollars and an IRR of 41%. The project also has low production costs, with all-in sustaining costs at $1.80 US, of course, per pound copper equivalent, and an initial capital cost of 483 million Canadian dollars. Over the mine life of 11 years, metal production is expected to be 533 million pounds copper, 841 million pounds zinc, 10.6 million ounces silver, and nearly 130,000 ounces of gold. The high-grade copper-zinc development project has resources of 22.8 million tons in the measured and indicated category at 2.26% copper equivalent to 1.1 billion pounds of copper equivalent, and nearly 12.9 million tons grading 1.62% copper equivalent in the inferred category, which is equivalent to 460 million pounds copper equivalent. Kutcho is receiving strong financial support from major shareholders Capstone Mining and Wheaton Precious Metals. They are supporting the company with a 100 million Canadian dollar financing package, of which over 34 million Canadian dollars has already been invested. Together with the $4.1 million financing round successfully completed this summer, the developer is on sound financial footing. The project is located within the traditional territories of the Tahltan Nation and Cascadena First Nations. Kutcho maintains good working relationships with these First Nations and has initiated discussions with both to develop economic participation agreements that would protect their interests, create jobs, and provide economic benefits to them. The feasibility study results are top-notch. The environment for copper prices to continue to rise is excellent, so we believe Kutcho Copper is one of the most undervalued copper investment opportunities in North America. Please note the disclaimer now superimposed. The company may be or become part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.